So, hello everyone. This is Tripathi Aditya Prakash, a full-time data analyst, and today we are going to talk about mastering a skill without having a technical background. And I have been discussing about it. A lot of you guys have commented on my videos, DM'd me on socials, asking this question. So let's figure it out what it actually is about. So you don't need an engineering or a technical background for it technically, because I'll be talking about these steps that you can follow that will easily make you understand about it. So let's start with it. So first step is to understand the basic of databases. So before you jump into SQL, you need to understand some of the databases, how it happens, how it works like that. So think of a database as a, filing system that you see like tax filing or any kind of tabular structure you see where data is stored in a table, okay? Such as spreadsheet, Excel, you guys must have seen. If you haven't, just check it out. Spreadsheet kind of thing, like basically rows and columns. So each table that has a row and a column that is basically represented as record as well as attributes in databases. But in a tabular structure, they are rows and column. So just a different name in database that they have. So familiarize first yourself with those structure will give you a better understanding at learning SQL. Otherwise, you'll just dive into it. It doesn't make any sense. So you can check out Web3 School. They have really good guides on it. So just check it out, or you can always enroll in my top mate mentorship program and just buy the course, and it will be tailor made for you however you want. And the step two about is to start with the fundamental of SQL concepts. So begin with the core components that are there for SQL, such as select statement is there where you extract the data from dataset, your database that you're having. Then the where clauses where you'll filter out data based on the specific condition that you have. And then the join operations where you'll combine data from multiple tables. And these things you can first have to understand for the code component, and these basics will be the fundamental of SQL, and they are essential for any data related work that you want to do. And it's really easy. It's just like conditional things, like if you do this, this will happen. If you do that, this will happen, like that it will be. So it's really easy. You just have to go through it. And then the step three about is to engage in intrusive learning. So what is that? Like just passionate reading that most of us do, even I used to do, is just reading PDF or reading a book and then doing it, or some website opening and just copying the code. That isn't enough. You have to engage with platform that offers hands-on practice. So first is learnsql.com. It provides a very interactive exercises that will enforce you to learn actually. And then dataquest.io is another website that offers a guided projects on applying SQL in real time, scenarios that you can do. And lastly, my top mate course is always there that you can enroll, and I'll give you exercises and I can connect with you whenever I'm free, and you guys will have a common time and we can connect over, and I'll give you exercises that you can continue on, and I'll be your mentor for that. So my platform as well as the other platform allows you to write SQL, queries and solidify your learning basically and the understanding that you guys have. And the fourth step, this is very crucial, that you have to work on real world project. So you'll have to apply your skills by working on actual data set. And the question that always arises is where you'll find the actual data set, because you can't just work on test data set. You'll have to understand how the real world data is. So you can go to Kaggle or other, data.gov or any government website also, they'll give you, data set like that. So you can copy and take the data sets from there. Even GitHub have some data sets, but they are very common ones, so I won't recommend going there. You can go to Kaggle, because, without, enhancing your learning, but, just working on sample data set won't do any good. So you'll have to enhance your learning and build a portfolio based on that. And last step is to join a community and seek mentorship. So learning is more effective when you do it with people, or you are forced to do it basically. So you have to join forums, you can attend webinars and connect with others that are starting the journey. I have a community for it. People are learning and interacting each day with me and with each other, so that they can have a healthy competition also. Okay, I learned this today, what you guys did, and I'm stuck in this, let's have me in that. And as you guys mostly know that we do seek, coaching or some other university outside things or the college outside, school outside things. So we need someone else to guide us. So that is when mentorship comes in. And that's what my course also comes in. So it helps you navigate the challenges, give you an edge like, okay, you have to learn this. So you're basically forced. So once you're forced, you actually do things. Trust me, I've been there, done that. So that will enhance your learning by like 50x, 20x, however you want to say. So I have a data analytics resource pack for 1000 that has more than 2K resources. That the link is in the description for 1000 rupees. And another course for mentorship for 20,000 rupees that you can enroll on. That will give you access to a tailor-made course on data analytics for you that has SQL, Excel, or Python, anything that you want me specifically focused on. And it will be made specifically for you. And we can connect on calls. I'll give you resume reviews and all those things are included. You can just check out the TopMed account and it will be the second package that is there. So, and also check out my link tree for my socials account. Various socials accounts are there, Twitter or X, to nowadays called as Instagram, and all those are there. So now the conclusion of part of the video, and I'll just want to talk to you guys for a bit now. So remember, you have to understand that a technical background doesn't guarantee you knowing everything. So it doesn't even hamper like that you will learn SQL if you don't have it. So if you have the right resources, the right people to guide you, you'll master it, and the right person to guide you. I hope you understand what I mean by that. So if you found this guide helpful, and a lot of guys requested for it, so I hope it was really helpful. So subscribe for more content, like the video up, and share it with people who actually are trying to learn it. And for a more personalized guidance and a more tailor-made thing for you, check out and book a session or TopMed with me. And let's start the journey. And I'll see you guys in the next one.